Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to block screenshot on WhatsApp. For that you'll have to follow my instruction. First of all, go to your WhatsApp application and go to that particular chat to which you want to send a picture where you want to block the screenshot. I'm going to send a picture to this person. So now just above the send button you can see a button which is with the half circle filled and half circle dotted button. Just click on this button and you can see that view once messages just got more private. Now when you send a view once messages, the recipient can't take a screenshot of it. For added privacy, they also can't share, forward, copy or save it. So just click OK. Now you can see that the button has turned into a colored one. So that means the button is on. Now if you send this picture, whenever that person will see this picture, after that it will be disappeared or he or she will not be able to save, copy, forward or a screenshot of it. So in this way you can easily block the screenshot, even the copy and forward option for that person. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and see you in the next one.